Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this video, let's see about make directory and remove command. Make directory command is used to create directory or folders and subfolders to store your files. And remove command is used to remove the things that you don't need in your Linux system. So let's start. First, here I am listing the directories in my home directory. Now let's create new directory test. Here I have a directory named test. If I need to create a subfolder in a folder when there is no folder named like that, make directory first, second, and third. Here first is the parent directory and within that there is a folder named second, and within second there is a folder named third. I need to create like that. If I try to do that, here the error cannot create directory, no such file or directory. Because if I need to create a folder named third, there need to be a folder named second, so I can create that. And the same, if I need to create a folder named second, there need to be a folder named first. But there is no folder like the name first. Here you can see that. So for that, we have a flag to do it. Make directory -p. This is the flag to create directories like this. First, second, and third. Here it displays no error. Let's list the file. Here it displays first. Let's list the file recursively. Here I have a folder named first. Within that there is a folder named second. And within the folder named second there is a folder named third. And finally the folder named third is empty. That's it for make directory command. Now let's see what is remove command. Before that, let's create some files. That's a.txt, b.txt, c.txt, and d.txt. Here I am creating 4 files with empty content. Here remove command is used to remove a file that we don't need. Here let's see that. Here we have B, C and D, but A is gone. And like that we can also remove multiple files like rm, b.txt, c.txt. But instead of this, I need to remove every files with an extension of txt in this folder. For that, I can use remove star.txt. Here you can see that before that we have 3 files with an extension of txt, but now there is nothing. And here in remove there is also some flags that will help us. Like let's create those files again. Here we have. Here I remove the a.txt, but it doesn't ask any verification. Does I really need to delete it or not? If I need to get those questions like that, we can use remove a.txt. Here it asking remove regular empty file a.txt. If we enter y and enter, the file will be removed. Here I am listing the files and folders in my current directory in long order. Here you can see that every files that I created has read and write access. Now I am going to change the permissions of dtxt. Change mode 440d.txt. If I list that again, here all the permissions are removed. If you don't understand this command, don't worry, we will see about this in our future videos. If I try to remove that d.txt file, it asks to remove write protector regular file. Now I am typing no, the file is not deleted, it's still there. But if I don't need to get these questions, I can use a flag force to delete that. F. Here it doesn't ask any questions like that, and the D file is deleted. Here we created directories and subdirectories named first, second and third. Now if I try to remove the folder, I will get an error. We can use remove directory to remove those folders, but the remove directory command only works if the folder is empty. If the folder has any file, the command will give an error. For that, you need to use recursive. It means every files and folders in the directory will be removed without any question. If the file or folder is write protected like this, you can use force to don't get any questions like that. Now let's run that. Here it doesn't give any error. So let's list the files and folders in our current directory. Here the folder named first is removed. And we have B and C files. Let's remove that. Star.txt and remove test. Okay. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.